Hello everybody and welcome to English Grammar with Ameya sir. And today we are going to study something very interesting, something that will add flavor to the way you talk and your English will sound much crispier. We are going to study the contracted forms using so and neither. By the way, a quick tip on when to use so and when to use neither. Whenever you want to say also, you will use so, and if you want to say not even, then you will use neither. One more time. If you want to say also, then you will use so. If you want to put forward the idea not even, then you will use neither, followed by the auxiliary and finally the noun or the pronoun. You have the couple of examples that I have already mentioned. Later we will follow this with an exercise. There will be 10 sentences for us to study. Let's start with the first one. Sean is Irish. By the way, this is Sean. Sean is Irish. He belongs to Ireland. Michael is Irish too. Now look how boring it sounds, is it not? Sean is Irish, Michael is Irish. So you can say Sean is Irish, so is Michael. Why did I use so over here? Because Michael also is Irish. That's why I have used so. I'm sure you are getting the hang of it now. Second one, please. She does not like to dance. I don't like to dance either. It's a fact, by the way. So, she does not like to dance. Not even I, right? So I'm going to use neither. Neither do I. I'm sure you have absolutely understood this by now. Now we are going to follow this with the exercise as I said earlier. Always, when you see the question, you can pause the video and when you have the answer ready, then resume. And let me know in the comments if you got 10 out of 10. Look at the first one. It says, my sister loves chocolate. My sister loves chocolate. I love chocolate too. So don't you here want to say, I also love chocolate? So I'm sure you came up with the right answer, guys. I hope you had paused the video. The answer is, so do I. My sister loves chocolate. So do I. Okay? Sure you got that right, guys. Second one. Parag was late. Very bad. Parag was late. Monali was late too. Very suspicious, both of them late together. Anyway, Parag was late. Now, what do you want to say? Even Monali, is it not? Monali also was late. So was Monali. I'm sure you got 2 out of 2 and you're perfectly now getting the hang of it. So, I'm hopeful that you'll end up with 10 out of 10. Next one, please. They cannot, that's can't, they can't speak German. They can't speak German. We can't speak German either. That means I'm going to say neither can we. They can't speak German. Neither can we. Imagine how boring long sentence this will be. They can't speak German. We can't speak German. So you can say they can't speak German. Neither can we. How crisp, how elegant it sounds. Next one. Coffee keeps you awake. Tea keeps you awake too. By the way, my personal preference is tea. Very much so. Coffee keeps you awake. Tea also keeps you awake. That's what you want to say, is it not? Remember what I said. If you want to say also, you will use so. So does tea. Look how elegant it sounds. It will definitely add some spice, some flavor to the way your English sounds. Coffee keeps you awake. So does tea. Next one. Sita does not like coffee. Sita does not like coffee. Juhi does not like coffee either. So Juhi also does not like. So not even Juhi, right? You want to say not even Juhi likes. It's a negative one, is it not? So neither does Juhi. Sita does not like coffee. Neither does Juhi. Brilliant. Halfway there, guys. Halfway there. Dilip's job isn't well paid. Dilip's job isn't well paid. My job isn't well paid either. Well, this is fictitious. I'm very happy with what I do. Nonetheless, an example. So, Dilip's job isn't well paid. Not even mine, right? So, neither is mine. Neither is mine. Dilip's job isn't well paid. Neither is mine. Next, My parents would love to live by the sea. Let me know about your parents. My parents would love to live by the sea. I would love to live by the sea too. Now look at this humongous construction. Couple of sentences, huge. My parents would love to live by the sea. I would love to live by the sea. Then you can say, my parents would love to live by the sea. Oops. My parents would love to live by the sea. So would I. Done. My parents would love to live by the sea. So would I. Look at the element of gracefulness there. Okay. Next one. Tejas would not like to lose his job. Sanket would not like to lose his job either. Hey, who would like to lose a job? Huh? Unless one wants to start a business of his own, like I do. I mean, the coaching business. Also into share market as well. But anyway, job is important for some people. Tejas would not like to lose his job. And neither would Sanket, is it not? So neither would Sanket. I'm sure you're getting the answers correct, guys. Tejas wouldn't like to lose his job. Neither would Sanket. Now the number 9, the penultimate one. I told you we are going to do 10 of them. Pause the video from time to time, guys. The line states, Krina is interested in art. Then it says, a line that I shouldn't even be reading. I am interested in art too. Ha ha ha. Far from fact. I suck at drawing. You should know that I am very happy when the students I see, in my class draw very well, because they excel at what I am not so good at. Makes me very happy for them. Just to give you a sample of how bad I am at this, you give me a scale and I would still doubt my ability to draw a straight line. Well, that's art in me. I hope I made my point. Anyway, Krina is interested in art. I am also interested. That's what you want to say, is it not? So am I. Krina is interested in art. So am I. And the last one, guys. Nitin didn't understand the joke. Nitin didn't understand the joke. His wife didn't understand the joke either. Hey, perfect couple. Nitin did not understand. That's didn't, guys. Didn't understand the joke. And then what? His wife also, right? So neither, right? Not even she understood that. So neither did his wife. Let's recap this from the 10th one to the first one. Okay. Look at the element of gracefulness of real class here when you use the contracted form. Nitin didn't understand the joke. Neither did his wife. Krina is interested in art. So am I. Tejas wouldn't like to lose his job. Neither would Sanket. My parents would love to live by the sea. So would I. Dilip's job isn't well paid. Neither is mine. Sita doesn't like coffee. Neither does Juhi. Coffee keeps you awake. So does tea. They can't speak German. Neither can we. Parag was late. So was Monali. My sister loves chocolate. So do I. I have no doubt, guys, that you enjoyed these examples, and this will definitely add an element of beauty and class and charm to the way you speak. Study them very well. We will meet again very soon with yet another such interesting video, or maybe a lesson or a poem very soon. Take good care. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.